Friends, welcome to AZF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. Now, friends, you see very important question based upon the mixing of different air streams. Friends, here the stream A having mass flow rate of 1 kg and relative humidity 90% is mixed with stream B of absolute humidity 0.103, and the mixture is then heated to 60 degree, and it is asking find out the relative humidity of resultant mixture, and it is given the saturation vapor pressure at 30 degree and 60 degrees 4.11 and 19.93, and the total vapor pressure is 101.325 and the molecular weight of air is 29. Friends, whenever you see such type of large questions, you can first thing you should do that make the free body diagram, means diagram of mixing of both the air streams, and whatever the data and values given in the question, you should put all these data and values so that you can get an idea to solve the question. Friends, the first thing you should see that we have to apply it is a case of mixing. So you have studied in the previous lecture that mixing Ma1 plus Ma2 is equal to Ma3, Ma1 H1 plus Ma2 H2 is equal to Ma3 H3, and Ma1 T1 plus Ma2 T2 is equal to Ma3 T3. So you should simply apply that. Here you see that 1 kg initial weight and mix with 2 kg of B. So you should easily first thing you should calculate that relative humidity of stream A is given in the question, and also the absolute humidity we have to calculate. So friends, you should equate the partial pressure of water vapor, that is equal to relative humidity into saturation pressure. Friends, here you see that saturation pressure at 30 degree means the stream A and stream B are present at 30 degree, are mixed at 30 degree, and after that the mixture is heated to 60 degree. So we have to consider the saturation pressure at 30 degree, that is 4.11. So we will calculate the partial pressure of water vapor of stream A, that is 3.699 kilopascal. Friends, after that we will calculate the absolute humidity, that is HA is equal to 0.622 into PWV divided by P total minus PWV. Friends, here P total is 101.325. So you should put the values and you will get the absolute humidity of stream A, that is 0.023. Friends, why is such type of things we are doing? Friends, when we are solving the question of psychometry, we have to take care that our thinking capacity should be more, because we have to calculate the different terms to get the required answer. Friends, here we have to get the final answer, that is relative humidity of resultant mixture. And for getting the relative humidity of resultant mixture, we need two things, that is saturation water vapor pressure and partial pressure of water vapor of the mixture at 60 degree. For that only we are doing all these steps. So now friends, we are going to balance the humidity. So that is M1 H1 plus M2 H2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into H3. Friends, here I have represented it as C. So you see here in the question, they have given the stream B has absolute humidity of 0.0103 and stream A absolute humidity we have calculated, that is 0.023. So we put both these values and we will get HC value, that is 0.0147. Friends, here you see in the question that when the mixture is heated to 60 degree, means from 30 degree to 60 degree. So friends, I will give you one concept here, very useful. You remember it clearly, that during change of temperature, the humidity ऑफ एयर रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, मीन्स टेम्परेचर चेंज में एयर का ह्यूमिडिटी पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता है, एयर का ह्यूमिडिटी कांस्टेंट होता है टेम्परेचर चेंजिंग के टाइम में। आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखनी है। दैट्स वाई फ्रेंड्स हियर द मिक्सचर ह्यूमिडिटी एज 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू द मिक्सचर ह्यूमिडिटी एट 60 डिग्री, दैट इज HC is equal to HD is equal to 0.0147. Now friends, we have got the absolute humidity of a stream at point D, and after that we can calculate the partial pressure of water vapor at point D by using the formula 0.6 HD is equal to 0.622 into PWV divided by P total minus PWV. So we can get the PWV. And friends, these all things we have done to calculate the relative humidity of resultant mixture, and it has given the saturation vapor pressure at 60 degree is 19.93 kilopascal is given, and we have calculated the partial water vapor pressure, and all of us know that relative humidity is the ratio of partial water vapor pressure and saturation water vapor pressure. That is the answer, that is 11.75%. Now friends, if you are able to solve this question, then you are able to solve all the small questions. So this question is little bit lengthy, but it will give you a very clear concept regarding the topic. Now friends, you see another question. Here we have to calculate the specific volume and absolute humidity of air at 50 degree, and 15% is the relative humidity of at atmospheric pressure, and saturation pressure is given in the question. So friends, first thing we have to calculate the specific volume, and for a specific volume we need the absolute humidity, and for absolute humidity we need the partial pressure of water vapor, and partial pressure of water vapor we will calculate from the relative humidity formula, that is RH is equal to PWV by PS, and PS value means saturation vapor pressure is given, that is 12.35 kilopascal. So we will calculate the partial pressure of water vapor, that is 1.825, and we will calculate the absolute humidity, that is 0.622 into 1.8525 divided by 101.325 minus 1.825, and after that friends we will put in the specific volume formula, that is 0.00283 plus 0.00456 H into T. Friends, you clearly remember that for a specific volume the temperature is in Kelvin. So I have temperature is 50 degrees, so add it with 273, you should get the answer, that is 0.93115. Now friends, see another question. Here in this they have given absolute and saturation humidity are given, and it is asking about the what are the values of partial pressure, saturation vapor pressure. Friends, in this question everything has been asked, whatever we have studied the terms, everything it has been asked in this question, so you should solve this question very carefully. Friends, absolute humidity is given, means we can calculate the partial water vapor pressure. All of you know that absolute humidity H is equal to 0.622 into PWV by P total minus PWV. Friends, absolute humidity will give partial water vapor pressure, and saturation humidity will give the saturation water vapor pressure, means absolute हमें partial water vapor pressure देता है, और saturation humidity हमें saturation water vapor pressure देता है. So we have calculated the partial water vapor pressure, that is 3.46 kilopascal, and for saturation water vapor pressure we will use the same formula, but only PS value and HS value are changed. That we have calculated the PS, that is 6.122, and friends after that it is asking the relative humidity, means RH, and all of us know that RH is equal to P partial pressure of water vapor divided by saturation vapor pressure. Here I have not calculated the RH, but you should take the ratio of 3.46 divided by 6.122 into 100, you will get the answer, that is 56.5%. Here I have written the answer but not calculated, you can easily calculate. And friends, after that we have to calculate the humid heat. Humid heat formula I have told you in my previous lecture, that is 1.005 plus 1.88 into H, means H is the absolute humidity. Friends, here absolute humidity is 0.022. You put all these values, you will get the humid heat, that is 1.046. Now friends, VH means humid volume. I think humid volume formula also I have told in previous question. Also we have calculated the humid volume, that is 0.00283 plus 0.00456 into H into temperature is in Kelvin. So here 25 degrees centigrade, so add with 273, you will get the answer, that is 0.873 meter cube per kg. Now friends, you see another question. Here it is a question of mixing also. A stream A having absolute humidity of 0.0152 is mixed with a stream B with absolute humidity of 0.0256 and flow rate is given and heat capacities are given and the latent heat of vaporization is given. It is asking about the absolute humidity and temperature of resultant stream. Friends, for solving this type of question, mixing question, you always remember that we are going to apply the conservation of mass, conservation of humidity, conservation of mass into temperature. यही तीन चीजें हमें याद रखनी है. जब भी हमें मिक्सिंग का क्वेश्चन दिखे ना, हमें तीन चीजें याद रखनी है और तीनों को इजीली अप्लाई करो. Whatever the values they are asking, you should easily put that all the values, means all the values carefully. Initial plus is equal to final. So M1 H1 plus M2 H2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into S3. So M1 H1 value is 0.10 kg, 0.0152, and M2 value is 100 and H2 value is 0.0256. So you should easily put and you can get the H3, that is 0.02465. Friends, from here you can easily conclude that answer B or answer D is going to be right, because answer A and answer C has different values. After that you can easily balance the temperature, means M1 T1 plus M2 T2 dot Mn Tn is equal to M3 T3, means here you can easily balance the mass into temperature of initial mixture and final mixture. So M1 T1, M1 is 10, T1 is 20, M2 is 100, T2 is 40. You should take the ratio and calculate and get the answer, that is 38.18 degrees centigrade, means 38.2, that is option D. After this, friend, you see another question. Here the air stream at, here also friends the question is same based upon mixing only. You see that air stream at a pressure at 1 atmospheric pressure and temperature 20 degree and saturation vapor pressure is 2.334 and it is then heated to 50 degree and given the vapor partial water vapor pressure, that is 12.2 kilonewton per meter square, is mixed with another stream of B in the ratio of 5:3 and absolute humidity is 0.252. So friends, we have to first calculate the absolute humidity SA and of a stream A after heating and absolute humidity of mixed stream. Friends, I have told you that you first make the diagram and put all the values, whatever the values given in the question, you put all these values, then after only you will proceed. So here it has given it is heated to 50 degrees centigrade and partial water vapor pressure is 12.2 kilonewton per meter square. So you can easily calculate the SA. SA is our absolute humidity of stream A after the heating. So that formula is 0.622 into PWV divided by P total minus PWV. Friends, here I have written in terms of 18.02 divided by 28.97. That will give us also the 0.622. So the PWV means partial pressure of water vapor at 50 degree is given in the question, that is 12.2. So you should put that also. You will calculate and get the answer, that is SA is equal to 0.0850. Friends, from here we can conclude that either answer D or answer A is going to be correct. Answer B and C are neglected. Now friends, here it has said that they are mixed in the ratio of 5:3. So you should easily use the ratio of both the mixture. Means MA by MB is equal to SB minus SM divided by SM minus SA. Means friends, this is nothing but when you will write the equation, means when you will write it like M1 S1 plus M2 S2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into S3. Means here friends, they are mixed in this ratio. Here they are talking about the mixing. When we will write simple balance of humidity, means M1 S1 plus M2 S2 is equal to M1 plus M2 into S3. When you write this, here friends, I have denoted the S3 as SM. Means S3 we have taken in the previous questions the resultant mixture, humidity of absolute humidity of mixture, and here it is denoted with SM. So SM will give the same thing, that is the resultant humidity of mixture. So you can calculate the SM value, that is 0.0626. Now friends, you see another question. It is also very easy question. Here the heat capacities are given and the latent heat of vaporization is given, and it is asking about the specific enthalpy. Friends, I have told you in the previous lecture regarding the formula of specific enthalpy, that is 1.005 plus 1.88 into H into T plus H into lambda naught. Means lambda naught is the latent heat of vaporization. Friends, we have to remember that there we are calculating in terms of kilojoule. So we should calculate in terms of kilojoule. You put all these values. Lambda naught value is 2502.3 and H value means humidity, absolute humidity, we have to calculate. And also friends, the temperature is given, that is temperature is 50 degree. Means temperature is also given in the question. You see here the friends, this is the part of previous question only. Means temperature is 50 degree. You can see that here the final stream temperature is 50 degree, and we have calculated the stream means absolute humidity of the mixture, that is SM is equal to 0.0626. means this is the part B of the previous question only. So we will easily put all these values, because absolute humidity of mixture we have calculated, that is 0.0626, and also the temperature is given 50 degree Celsius. So we will put all these values, we can get our answer, that is 58.16 kilojoule per kg. Friends, here we are doing the difference in specific enthalpy. It is asking in the question, means difference in specific enthalpy. Initially some enthalpy is present and finally some enthalpy is present. So difference in specific enthalpy of mixed stream at HM and specific enthalpy of HA. So we will first calculate the specific enthalpy of mixture, that is 1.005 into plus 1.88 into absolute humidity of mixture, that is 0.626 into temperature, that is 50 plus 0. Plus H into lambda naught minus 1.005 minus plus 1.88 into absolute humidity of stream A. Friends, here we have calculated the absolute humidity of stream A, that is 0.0850. Means here in this question we have to simply calculate the difference in specific enthalpy of both the mixture and the stream A. मीन्स स्ट्रीम ए का और मिक्सचर का जो स्पेसिफिक इंथैल्पी में डिफरेंस है वो हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. फॉर दैट वी विल कैलकुलेट द स्पेसिफिक इंथैल्पी ऑफ स्ट्रीम ए and we calculate the specific enthalpy of mixture, and we will subtract both these values. And specific enthalpy formula I have told you, that is 1.005 plus 1.88 into H plus H into lambda naught. So you should put all these values very carefully, because here we have calculated the absolute humidity of stream A, that is 0.0850, and absolute humidity of mixture, that is 0.0626, and the temperatures are given, that is 50 degree centigrade. So you put all these values, you will get the answer. So friends, please subscribe our channel and share our channel to all the GATE aspirants, and in the next lecture also we will discuss the GATE previous year questions. So thank you, that's all.